Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of functional programming series. Sort an array alphabetically using the sort method. The sort method sorts the element of an array according to the callback function. For example, we have ascending order which use the array.sort function to sort the elements in the ascending order. And in this case, array.sort will this would return ZSLHB, that is descending order. JavaScript's default sorting is by a string Unicode point value, which may return unexpected results. Therefore, it is encouraged to provide callback function to specify how to sort the array items. When such callback function, normally called compare function, is supplied, the array elements are sorted according to the return value of compare function. If compare function a comma b returns a value less than 0 for two elements a and b, then a will come before b. If compare function a b returns a value greater than 0 for two elements a and b, then b will come before a. If compare function a b returns value equal to 0, the two elements a and b, then a and b will remain unchanged. Task for this challenge: use the sort method in alphabetical order function to sort the elements of ARR in alphabetical order. In this case, we have to sort in alphabetical order. Return ARR dot sort a comma b, return a equal to b, question mark. If true, then it's 0. If not true, a less than b, question. If true, a is less than b, then -1, or else 1. We can check if it's in the correct order by using console log here at the end. It's giving right answer. We can also run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.